Hello, everyone. Thank you for attending today's webinar about Instagram Direct, how to integrate Instagram Direct. Um, we're going to be giving just a few more minutes to see if anybody else joins in. Okay, so for whomever perhaps didn't attend the webinar, this webinar will be recorded for your reference, so you can access it later on through our website. Today we're going to be talking about how to integrate Instagram Direct to Callbell. As you all know, now it's possible to integrate Instagram, apart from, of course, the other channels that we are already working with. But basically now it's a very big news and announcement that we are happy to make, that we're going to be working with the Instagram Direct integration with Callbell. Okay, so basically, um, to start talking a little bit about us, definitely I would like to introduce Callbell for perhaps whomever doesn't know about us. We are a French-based company, and basically what we do is we allow companies to integrate, in this case, of course, Instagram, but of course as well with WhatsApp, Facebook, and Telegram, and centralize all the incoming chats, okay, that you can be receiving through those channels, and receive them and reply to them with a full team. All right. So if you're having a, customer service or sales or support team, then Callbill will allow you to reply to all those chats with your team. Okay. Today also we're going to be talking, as I already mentioned, about the Instagram integration. We're going to be doing also a test so that you can see a little bit how the integration works. And of course, we're going to be mentioning a little bit more about our WhatsApp integration and other integrations that we work with. All right. So, starting with the mandatory requirements to be able, right, to integrate Instagram Direct. First of all, you're going to need to verify that the Instagram account is registered as a business account. Okay. So if you already have this, which I'm sure many of your companies would already have it, but if not, it's a very simple process as well. As you can see here directly in your Instagram settings, you're going to be able here to see to change the account to a professional one or to a business account in case it's not. You're gonna need as well to connect your Instagram account to Facebook page. Okay, so you're gonna have to link them. So basically, it's also gonna be required for you to have a Facebook page for your company. Basically, also you're gonna need to give access to the Instagram messages, all right, from the inbox. So you have to give the access to be able to continue with the configuration. You're gonna need to put, of course, all your business information now here. And then as a third step, you're gonna need to properly also give and allow access to messages from the Instagram account settings. So directly from your Instagram account, you're gonna find the settings and the privacy panel, where basically you're going to have the option to give allow or give access, right? Allow access to the messages to the connected tools. So you have to turn it on. Okay. So that's basically the entire process. As you can see, it's very fast, it's very easy. These are the mandatory requirements. But apart from that, basically, once you go into Callbell, I will show you now. Once you go into Callbell, Okay, you just simply go to settings, you go to integrations, and here you're gonna find the option, right, to integrate Instagram. So basically, once you click on it, it's just gonna take you step by step on how to connect it. So it's quite easy. It's gonna take you just 5 minutes to do it, and basically you're gonna start receiving the messages uh, pretty much as you're seeing it like here. All right, it will register with the name, all right, of the person, as you can see here and here. All right. So along with all the other integrations that you might be working, so all the chats are going to be centralized in this panel, as you can see here, from Instagram and from WhatsApp and maybe other channels. All right. So if you can see a live test, basically here I have my Instagram account. Okay. So if we just search for Callbell, okay, Callbell chat, and we just send the message. Okay. I can say here, for example, hello. Okay. And if we go to our dashboard, we can see here that it already arrived the notification. Okay. And here you can see my new chat that it just arrived a few seconds ago. So as you can see, the message arrived immediately. So direct messages, basically, it's the ideal scenario. So you will receive direct messages from Instagram, as you can see. At the moment, we have the automatic routing enabled. So as you can see, the platform sent already an automatic reply, all right? And if I go to my Instagram, I can see here that also that automatic reply already reached to my Instagram account. Okay, so the messaging, okay, works perfectly. Now, bear in mind that apart from the direct messages, your clients can reach out to your Instagram account not only through direct messages but also through the stories or through mentions, right? So bear in mind that it's only the mentions. All right, let's say that a client of yours is mentioning you in a story of them in a video. Okay, that comment will arrive to your Callbell account. Okay, it will arrive as a message, but the automatic replies or the automatic routing, which I will be explaining now, are not going to be working. Okay, but the message will be registered. Apart from that, if any of your clients reach out to you as a direct message from a story, it will reach out to here. Okay, and basically the automatic replies and automatic routing will work. Okay, so this is just a matter for you of testing it out, but basically direct messages will arrive into your Callbell account once Instagram is integrated. Okay, as you can see in the live test. Okay, you can see easily here that the communication actually reached out. Okay, and actually if I reply here, for example, hello, how are you? Okay, as a message, I will receive it here. You see, hello, how are you? Okay, so the same way as you are seeing now, it also works with the rest of the integrations. Okay, so you can manage all those chats directly from here. And basically, you're going to be able to as well invite your team. Okay, as you can see here, this is our team, Carlo, Frank, and Daniel, and Raul. But as well, you're going to be able to invite more teammates, let's say through your admin account. So you basically send them an email, they will receive it, open the Callbell account with a password, and everybody's going to be logged in to see all the chat panel as you are seeing it right here. All right, so you will have a full-on team connected at the same time. Okay, you're going to be able as well to, even in the Instagram chats, okay, you're going to be able to assign these conversations to a particular team or to an agent. You're going to be able to include tags, okay, to the for example, we can put here sale. You can see here the sale tag in this Instagram chat. Okay, so basically all the platform features, as I'm showing you now, also the internal notes. Okay, you can send internal notes directly for your team, not available for the client. Of course, sharing of pictures and perhaps documents can be supported as well. So Basically, that's pretty much all the features that you and your team are going to be able to use. All right. So as I already mentioned, the Instagram integration, it's quite easy, quite fast to do it. Bear in mind as well that at the moment, it's only possible for accounts with more than 1,000 followers to be able to integrate with Callbell, right? So you have to bear that in mind. And as I already mentioned before, you have to have those mandatory requirements, let's say, covered to be able to integrate. But apart from that, the integration works really good. And similarly, as I was mentioning before, you're going to be able to use, for example, automatic replies, which perfectly works with the direct messages of Instagram. So whenever a person or a client texts you on Instagram account, basically you can configure that an automatic reply goes straight once you receive the message, perhaps a closing message as well, right? And the away message, which is basically your office times. If anybody texts you outside the office times, then an automatic reply will be sent, all right? And if you're actually working with big team or perhaps even branches or other offices, then you can create within Callbell different teams, all right? So those Instagram chats and perhaps WhatsApp or Facebook chats, you can distribute whether manually or automatically to the teams, okay? And if you're working with the automatic routing, you can precisely do that transfer of chats to a team in an automatic way and based on the reply of the client. So as you can see here, okay, there is a welcome text which is configured, okay, saying, please tell us with which department you want to work, 1 sales, 2 support, or 3 post sale, all right? So as you can see here, this is the, let's say, the message, okay, that I received. So if I click on 1, right, it should allow me to, based on my reply, which is number 1, okay, it will basically automatically route that conversation into the sales, okay, team, because number 1, based on the menu here, number 1, it's sales, okay, as you can see here. So that will allow you, of course, to automatically reroute all those conversations to the particular team, and it will work very well with the Instagram conversations as well. All right. So that's pretty much it. Okay. If you have any questions, of course, in our website, you're going to have our live support chat. If you open your account, you're going to have also the live support chat within your account. So we are all available to reply to your questions and help you with the Instagram integration in case you need it. And that would be pretty much it. Hope you enjoy and that you hopefully subscribe soon to us. Bye bye.